So I thought I would just stop and show you what is happening here. This is the bottom of the pant, one pant leg, and I'm basically gathering all of the overlay fabric like this, and then somehow pinning it to that little white cotton tape thing that's at the cuff. See? And then your hand, well, your leg goes in there. So that is what's happening, and I'm trying to keep the feathers facing outwards and at the right position. So here's the feather that floats on the side, and there's the front feather, and I'm yet to do the back feathers, which is all of this. So yes, I thought that would be interesting to show you what it looks like from down here. So everything has been finally pinned under there. Can you see? So all of the pant overlay has been pinned to the cuff, quite randomly, but in a way that works for the outside. These thank you. These flow outwards. I tried to make them as even as possible, but that's as close as I'm going to get. There are two on the front, those on the side, and then two on the back. And yeah, now all that's left to do to finish off the pants is to hand sew all of that down. Fun times. Okay, so now that the pants are basically done, it's time to add these little crystals, which are AB crystals from eBay, and these are 5mm, and they're not clear exactly, they are like a crystal, so in different lights they shine different colours, and they seem to reflect colours surrounding them. So I'm hoping on the pants, they're just going to be super glued onto the pants in various places. I'm hoping that on the pants they will sparkle and provide, you know, that extra bit of pizzazz. So that is the last step to the pants, and then they will be finally done. And that's it, guys. The pants are finally done. You probably can't see it in this lighting, but those little crystals, they really do sparkle when they catch the light. I'm really pleased with how they're looking at the moment. I can't wait to wear these. And yeah, I'm just so pleased with how they turned out. So these pants. I hope you enjoyed the process of making the pants. And now it's on to finishing the cape and the bodice for Jasmine.